They got an opposing trio, two tanky attackers, and the dreaded Urshifu. Yes. That is true. I'm gonna leave that to you. I'm good, my stackings. Stack a lacking. Oh, I missed it. God dang. Oh, I picked it up. Thanks, slow bro. What a bro. I want to beat up this thing as much as I can. Yeah. While it's a young boy. Oh, Dodrio's here. Okay. Must be, dude. Dodrio's the jungle. That's a Trevenant. Alright. I want a Dodrio too. Owie. Alright. A little too wild with the chicken here. What was that, second death? I think so. Not too good, not too good. That is still a Cub Fu. No, Cub Fu, it will remain. Get your score. Okay, you're annoying. Thank you, slow bro. I'm gonna get some stacks right quick. That's 3. Dodrio's back. Gives me the big drill pack. I go down here. I can't move. I guess though, I'm a speedster. Speedsters go down a lot. Especially when you're getting ganked by 4 opponents. Put down that Urshifu though, yee. My speed gauge. Ugh. Oh, the counter. Alright, I got my jump kick though. Should be on par with this Dodrio. Not grabbing it yet? Yeah, you are. Oh, he was waiting. Who does this? Who does this crap? I haven't secured that yet. I should go join my teammates, but I am a laughable level right now, so gonna have to wait. Okay. Now you're attacking Regieleki. Bird's here to fill up. Just a 9. 9. They score up. Yeah, check me out. Defending bottom goal, you punks. Working on that bottom base, you punks. Don't worry about me, fool. I got your own thing going. Got my thing going. Hard miss. Ugh. It's the opposing Dodrio. Aw, why didn't I jump over you, bro? We got a pad right here, Talon. In case you ain't know, brother. In case you didn't know, brother. You don't heal slow, bro. You don't heal! Man. If it's one Pokemon that has my number this game, it is the opposing Dodrio. Did we not? No, okay. Hey, buddy. Get this man down! What? There's no way it's that powerful. Allies. Yeah. Yep. Finally? Maybe?
You're in trouble.
Mm-hmm. Screw you, Venusaur. Get mandled. Yep. I'm getting out Dodrio'd. I should just look at his stats and claim him as my own, yeah? Well, we are getting mollied in this game. And when I say mollied, I mean absolutely demolished. Let's hot. Yeah, dude, good play. Oh, you little Dodrio. I saw your plan.
The final stretch. Don't give up.
Yeah. Don't give up, eh? They want to bring the fight to us, huh? A bad decision for them. Put down their Trevenants. Alright, guys, I'm coming.
You can do it. Roll.
Not getting me that time, Dodrio. Alright, let's go score. We need to score. They surrendered!